a housewife, mother of 2 children, from a conservative Marwadi family of Jharkhand. At the age of 48 years, Premlata Agarwal became the oldest Indian woman to have scaled the world's tallest peak, Mount Everest, in the year 2011. Premlata's achievement is a story of courage, determination, perseverance, and strong will. Premlata was awarded the prestigious Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2013 for her achievements in the field of mountaineering. Premlata Agarwal is the first Indian woman to scale the 7 summits, the 7 highest continental peaks of the world. Premlata was born in the year 1963 in the hills of Darjeeling, West Bengal, east of India, in a business family. She was married at a young age of 18 years to Vimal Agarwal, a senior journalist, and she moved to Jamshedpur after her marriage. She became mother of 2 daughters, Priyansha and Rajshri. When Premlata was 36 years, one day while taking her younger daughter to the JRD Tata Sports Complex for her tennis coaching, Premlata came across a poster about a trek being organized by the Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. She wanted her daughters to participate in adventure sports, and that's how she met Bachendri Pal, the pioneering Indian mountaineer, who encouraged her to also join mountaineering and adventure sports. It was Bachendri Pal who motivated Premlata to keep her dream alive and said that if you want to achieve something, then age should never come in between you and your dreams. She discovered her passion for climbing. She took adventure sports coaching along with her daughters. Premlata decided to follow her passion with determination and a lot of patience, and that is what made all the difference. She took a basic mountaineering course in 2001 and saw that the other course attendees were half her age. While she felt disheartened, but she was perseverant. She participated in the trek, stood third among 500 competitors, and that's how her journey started. After that, she did small expeditions with Bachendri Pal. After she climbed Kilimanjaro in South Africa in the year 2008, Bachendri told her that now Premlata was ready to climb the Everest. While Premlata was balancing her family responsibilities, Bachendri asked her if she actually wanted to climb the Everest. It was then that her husband and father-in-law encouraged Premlata to follow her dream and climb the Everest. When Premlata's daughter went to see her off before the expedition to climb Everest, the guide discouraged her. He asked her if her daughter got scared and dropped her dream to climb the Everest. When Premlata told him that it was not her daughter, but she herself who had come to climb the Everest, he ridiculed her.
एवरेस्ट चढ़ाई के दौरान मेरे शेरपा ने कहा, क्यों मौत से लड़ने आई हो? अब आप वापस नीचे चले जाओ। मैंने कहा, यहाँ से तो मुझे ऊपर ही जाना है, या तो भगवान के घर या फिर एवरेस्ट की चोटी पर।
Premlata remained undeterred. The will to persevere kept her going. She climbed the Everest in March 2011. But Premlata's journey did not stop at the Everest. She went on to climb the highest peaks of the 7 continents. When she was asked what gave her the strength to go on, she said, while climbing, my mind is not on what challenges will come up. I'm focused on accomplishing the mission I have set out for myself. What egged her on overcoming the toughest of obstacles was the fire within, the will to excel.